What up, you guys? It's your boy Rafa right here. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Rafa, and this is the RADSCALS. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe to become a RADSCAL. All right. So pretty much today, you guys, we're going to the SuperiLL meet. We're kind of in traffic right now. I'm with the whole squad. I'm half the squad. I'm with Robert, George, and Mark. Jacob's gonna come later, but he's working right now, so he's gonna show up late. Right now, actually, I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend. Yeah, I have a girlfriend. Yeah, surprise. I know I'm ugly, but whatever. Pretty much, I'm gonna go pick her up. It's gonna be her first meet. I'm bringing her friend too. They're coming together. She don't want to feel alone or whatever. But it's gonna be her first meet, you guys. So hopefully she likes what's going on. But you know how it is, Marietta to freaking LA. Traffic is horrible. Any day, horrible. 215 merging onto the 90. It's bad. It's way bad. So we're gonna be here for a while. I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, you guys? So we took a break. We're here with all the cars. Seen in the back. We're here with George. What's up, George? So how's the drive, George?
I'm fucking way here.
Dude, there's so much freaking traffic. Oh, look who's calling me, guys. It's La Sancha. So how you like the meet so far? Even though we're not there yet.
It's cool.
What about you, Jim?
It's cool.
I want to be on YouTube. I want to be YouTube famous.
So update, we moved 1 inch. Okay, well I don't care. Update, we moved 1 inch. I need some tacos. I need food. I need to get out of here.
Someone get their girl.
Someone get their girl, you guys.
Someone
Seriously.
get their girl.
Ah!
Be patient.
Ah!
See some skirts.
Ah!
Babe, the vlog's gonna think you're crazy.
We've been waiting here for like.
We've been waiting here for God knows how long already. We've literally been in the car longer than it took to get here.
Alright, guys, so pretty much we've been here for like 30 plus maybe minutes. We haven't fucking moved an inch.
We haven't moved.
We haven't
We moved. We moved 1 inch. 1 inch probably.
Maybe 2.
Maybe 2 if we're lucky.
Alright, guys, so we're finally. Tell them what happened, babe.
Huh?
Tell them what happened.
We were in the line or in the street for like how long? Maybe like an hour. We didn't even move. We moved like an inch, and so then we pulled into this like little parking lot, or what was it?
A parking lot.
It was like a little parking lot, and this guy charged us $20 to park there, but Jenny came in clutch.
Yeah, I don't carry cash, you guys. He charged us $20, but I said fuck it, cause we were there for like almost an hour and a half. We were just like,
But Jen
I'm done with it.
should have used their charm, and maybe they would have dropped it to 50.
yeah, but he seemed like a really cool dude.
We're cute.
Oh my god, dude, look at this pearl right here. Oh my god. How you like it so far, babe?
Shit. Vlogging. Mad that I got this. How do you feel not getting this? Third wheeling at its finest.
Hey you guys, so I'm sorry we didn't film that much at the meet. We were just really enjoying our time, so we kind of really forgot that we were vlogging. But overall, it was a good meet. It was really fun. She liked it. We all liked it. We had a good time. We went to eat afterwards. We had a good time. So you guys, this is gonna be the end of the video, because I mean there's nothing really much else to do. But if you guys like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be a RADSCAL, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.